everyone, Laura Liddell here with City Spindle Repair. If you've purchased our Spindle Dynamics Studio package, we're going to be training you on how to actually use that, so let's dive on in.
First step will be opening the app. Look for the Motor City logo. Next, for step 2, we choose our sensor. For this video, we are choosing the single axis white sensor, which on here is listed as the Sensor Works Blue Vib PVT. Step 3, we choose our test. Today's test is the spindle vibration test. Once that opens, you'll notice the searching symbol, which means it's now searching for the sensor. Step 4, we turn on the sensor by removing the magnet and hovering it around the sensor until you see a flashing red light. Now we can replace the magnet and move on. Step 5, now we can place the sensor on the spindle housing, then set your spindle to your desired RPM. Step 6, now we press the blue button and within seconds, we have our first reading. Press the blue button again and get the second reading. Once this is done, press the blue button a third time to generate your report. Reports can be saved to the device, to the cloud, or even emailed. It's as simple as that.